సార్ వెళ్ళడానికి క్లాస్ ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవాలి
ఇస్తాం సార్
అందుకే
ఒకసారి లైన్ ఆఫీసర్ని ఫోన్ చేస్తారు మీరు सर एक मिनट अंदर आ गए एक मिनट सर एक मिनट सर मैडम मैडम कंप्लेंट बताओ
అరే జరగరా ఒకసారి
Whatever allegations Lavanya has put on me, I have given my complaint to the DCP ma'am, and she'll take the further action against it.
Okay. So you
Yeah. The allegations Lavanya has put on me, I have given my side of the story to the DCP ma'am, and she'll take a further action against it.
okay. So మీరు కంప్లైంట్ చేయడానికి మెయిన్ రీజన్ ఏంటి అసలు మెయిన్ రీజన్
Sir, I don't know. I complained because she is doing my character assassination. I am nowhere related to Raj Tarun. We acted in a film together. There is no relationship. We like friends. And we work together. And she is putting all the false allegation on me, my character. Basically, she threatened my family who lives in Himachal Pradesh. They have no connection to cinema. No connection to cinema. They don't know about anything about cinema. They don't know Lavanya. I have not even seen her face.
Okay.
How she looks, मैंने उसको कभी नहीं मिला. I don't know what is her relationship with Raj Tarun. I am not interested in Raj Tarun's personal life. Please keep me out of it.
మీరు ఏమని కంప్లైంట్ ఇచ్చారు మెయిన్ గా మీ
Main complaint of my character assassin. She put complaint on my brother,
Okay.
who lives in Himachal. उसको पता भी नहीं है कौन है लावण्या. She calls my brother all the time. We have given all the screenshots of the calls, text and messages she has done to my family. So all the allegations she put that my brother threatened her, I threatened her, it's all false. Rather, she tortured me.
బట్ షీ రిలీజ్డ్ సమ్ ఆడియోస్
That audio, if you listen to that audio, what I have said in that audio, please listen to that audio very carefully. First thing I have said that your issue, Raj Tarun issue, you both solve each other. Please keep me out. And the second thing I have said in that audio, that I have no relation to Raj Tarun from last 8 months.
ఓకే
Because first time when we were shooting last schedule during August September, she called me first time that stay away from Raj Tarun and all of that. I said we are working together, there's nothing, no relation. Then she's like don't talk to Raj Tarun and all. I told Raj Tarun that this girl Lavanya is calling me and who is she. So he's like he's my ex-girlfriend, please block her. I blocked her. From then after that she called my dad and she abused my dad. So I want to ask even everyone, from where she got my dad's number. Even Raj Tarun doesn't have my dad's number. From where is she taking my call list, or is she tracking my phone? What she is doing? Tracking a phone is a crime, taking a call list is a crime. So if she is doing that, she has to face the consequences for this. And when she abused my dad in September, I told Raj Tarun, let's not talk to each other because it's going to another level.
షీ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్ యు ఓన్లీ
I don't know. Please, you go and ask her.
She was cursing you in the call.
Yeah, so she's cursing me because I told her that don't involve me, and she's behind me. She called my dad, she abused my dad. I told my dad that I am just working with this guy. I have nothing, and my family is very reputed family. She put fake cases, fake blames that CM say aisa hai, waisa hai. My family is nowhere related to political. My dad is a businessman. My mom is a government teacher.
చేస్తామని చెప్పి థ్రెట్
It's all fake. It's all fake news, and I'll tell you the truth.
మీరు చేయిస్తారని చెప్పి ఆమె చెప్తుంది, దానికి ఏం సమాధానం చెప్తారు?
What?
आप कराते बोल के
చెప్తున్నాం.
आप कराते बोल के वो बोल रहे हैं.
वो बोल रही है, वो कुछ भी बोल रही है. प्रूफ दिखाओ ना, कहाँ है प्रूफ? दिखाओ प्रूफ. And then second thing, September tarvata, I stopped talking to Raj Tarun because of this girl. October, November, December, Jan, Feb, no conversation, no calls, no messages with Raj Tarun because of this girl. Only he's my co-actor. Still, we mutually decided we will not talk to each
మీరు
other.
రాజతరుణ్తో మాట్లాడారా ఈ అంశం గురించి?
అసలు మీ
మీరు
షూటింగ్
complaint
ఎప్పుడు
చేయండి.
కంప్లీట్
After completing,
Okay.
after we finished the shoot in September,
Okay.
I told Raj Tarun, this girl is going another level. She abused my family.
Okay.
Now let's not talk to each other. We'll only talk when any work is there. So September, after September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb end, till Feb end, we did not have any conversation, no calls, no messages. After Feb end, the celebration song of our film release, they made a WhatsApp group on, all the promotion activities, PROs and everyone.
డౌన్ చేయండి అమ్మా, ప్లీజ్ అమ్మా, ప్లీజ్ మైక్.
యా యా
Then we started talking because we have to promote our film. I came here to promote my film.
లావణ్య మీ పైన కంప్లైంట్ చేసింది, ఏం చెప్తారు? లావణ్య కంప్లైంట్ ఆన్ యూ స్పెషల్లీ యు ఆర్ థ్రెటనింగ్ లావణ్య. వాట్?
So she did a complaint on me that I threatened her. What is the proof? I want the proof. Show me the proof that I threatened Lavanya. I'll accept it. Show me the proof.
సో ఏమని హామీ ఇచ్చారు మీకు లోపల?
సో आपको
I have given my side of story. She abused my parents. It's written. She called my parents. There is not even a single call from me, my brother, my father to Lavanya.
Did you give any proofs?
I gave.
okay, what is
It's-
the assurance they gave to you?
They will take care of it. They will process it, and I will after everything is proved, I will definitely file a character assassination case in the court because she harmed my reputation. Idina first Telugu cinema.
What is your
I feel like crying. I'm sad. I'm frustrated. Since last night, I have not eaten any food because it's my first Telugu cinema, and she's spoiling my reputation. What is my fault? I have not done anything wrong to anyone. And this is all false accusation, and truth will come out, and everything will come out, and will proceed further.
आपको कुछ
Thank you.
कर रहे क्या वो लोग? आपको कुछ comment कर रहे क्या?
Because it's a promotion, and from last 15 days she's harassing my family to another core. She's writing all the abusive text about me, my brother, and everyone to my dad. My dad didn't even open the messages. I have given. See, she's put the complaint on like me and my brother that we threatened her. It's other way around. She called me. There is not even.
అంటే ఒక
there is not.
ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ లో కూడా మీ బ్రదర్ లావణ్యతో మాట్లాడడం రిలీజ్ అయింది. ఏదైతే మీ బ్రదర్ చెప్పడం జరిగింది, నిన్ను జైల్లో పంపిస్తాం, I'll stab you to
Where
kill
is
అని.
that chat? Can you show me?
Yeah, I'll show you right now.
Yeah.
We have chat.
Yeah, please. Where is,
రాజ్ తరుణ్ తోటి మీకు ఎప్పటి నుంచి
no,
సంబంధం?
where is that chat that my brother threatened her?
Instagram I have.
Show,
We will
show,
you.
ఇది చెప్పండి, రాజ్ తరుణ్ కి మీకు ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్
No,
అయింది?
I sent
where
you.
is that threatening? I want to see that threatening. I will talk about this audio.
Go on, I'll show you in between.
Yeah, so
రాజ్
this,
తరుణ్ తోటి మీకు ఎప్పుడు రిలేషన్ స్టార్ట్?
ఇది ఎవరిది? Who is this? Mayank Malhotra.
yeah, it's my brother, but where is the threatening? Show me the
There's a
threatening.
threatening all over. These many chats are there.
Show
no?
me the threatening. No.
This is what he says. No, I'll send you to jail. He went to the jail for what he did. There's a threatening over here, no?
He went to jail. There is another
no,
case.
He also says Himachal something.
Where?
All the threatening.
You
is
read it
everywhere.
properly and then
No,
say.
I read.
No. There is no threaten from my
Okay.
brother's side. Please read the chats carefully
we
and
have
then.
it. Okay,
Yeah.
go on.
రాజ్
please.
తరుణ్ తోటి మీకు ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయింది పరిచయం?
We only met through our producer. We work together, and there is nothing between me and Raj Tarun. We are co-actors. We are like friends. We only talked about cinema, books, and nothing else.
ప్రొడ్యూసర్ తో కలిసి ఇద్దరు ఒకే ఇంట్లో ఉంటున్నారు అనేది అలిగేషన్.
What?
ప్రొడ్యూసర్ డైరెక్టర్ తోటి కలిసి ఒకే దగ్గర ఉంటున్నారు అని చెప్పి ఆమె అలిగేషన్ మీ పైన.
It's all false allegation.
ఇప్పుడు రాజ్ తరుణ్ లేకపోతే లావణ్య మీరు మీ ముగ్గురు మధ్యలోకి మీ బ్రదర్ ఎందుకు వచ్చాడు, తను ఎందుకు చార్జ్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది?
She contacted my brother. My brother never contacted her. And if you're talking about this audio, right? Listen to this audio carefully. I have said that it's your and Raj Tarun problem. Please solve it. And in the second audio, I said that in the same audio towards the end, I said that I haven't spoken to Raj Tarun from last 8.
Take an action. When someone stranger is calling to you
See,
and abusing you,
I-
threatening you, why didn't you take any
I
action or
told Raj Tarun.
raise a complaint?
I told Raj Tarun about it. He asked me to block her. I blocked her. Then she called my parents and all of that. We wanted to complain, but my film promotion started and everything. I wanted to do it after my film release, but she did it.